Hi, it's Joe Lungen. I'm going to record a video for you to show you how to reassign a work order that you feel needs to be placed with another work group. So we're going to start by looking here at our Start Center. In my work orders requiring assignment, I'm going to find the work order in question. I have a test work order here that I have loaded. So I would either select this work order here, or I could find the work order using work order tracking by choosing that from the menu. So once I open up this work order, it's going to bring me into work order tracking, and I should be on the work order tab. Okay, so once I do that, I need to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and come down to the responsibility section. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to need to change the work group. So I need to find this work group box here. Now I have this one assigned to Mech Metal and John Lyons. So I'm going to change this from Mech Metal to Mech Water. So I'm assuming in this case that I would be in John's role. I would choose the arrows or the chevrons here and use the select value option. This will bring up the select value menu. And here I can filter and find the appropriate work group. Now again, look down here, you'll see it says Mech Metal JRL21, which is John Lyons. I'm going to go ahead and click right on the text here for Mech Water to choose the new work group. And when the new work group populates here, you'll see it automatically changes the supervisor. Now if you want to verify that this is the proper supervisor, you can click on the chevrons beside the supervisor and use the Go to People option, and this will open in the person or the people application, and it'll show you the full information for that user ID that is shown on the screen. So in this case it's Corey Lucas. So once I'm done here at the top right, I can choose Return. And again, once I've done this, I have a new work group and supervisor populated. In order to complete this process, I need to come up here to the top and use the Route Workflow option. When I click on this box, it's going to open up a window and give me several options in the Route Workflow screen. So you'll see here that one of these selections is that the work order needs to be reassigned. Okay? So what we're doing is we're basically telling the system that we're reassigning this to a different work group. Once I do that, I'm going to select OK. And at this time, the work order would leave the original supervisor's queue or inbox for work orders that need to be assigned, and it will now show up in the new supervisor's queue or Start Center of work to be assigned.